Welcome back, folks, to Honda Snowblower Enthusiasts on YouTube. I just spent the last couple months restoring this very nice 828. Now that it's done, this is Anthony. Thank you for coming back to Honda Snowblower Enthusiasts on Facebook and YouTube. Today I'm going to show you what I've been doing for the last couple months restoring this 828. Let me show you what pretty much I started with. Okay, this is what pretty much I started with a couple months ago. A parts machine. It's got a good engine. It had a good strong engine and it had a good strong transmission. So I was able to work with it with some of my other parts machines. Not this bucket. I had to use a different bucket. But this is an 828 also. I was able to use the augers. Now let's get back to the finished project. Oh, by the way, this did not have very good handlebars, so I had to use a set of handlebars from another machine. Okay, this is the finished machine. I used the same augers. All I did was prep them and paint them. If you can see, it's got a brand new housing guard down at the bottom. I did a little bit of bucket work and some touch-up paint. I had to get a couple tracks, 828, 928 tracks will fit this. You can see that I painted the chute, prepped it and painted it. It has a different, the engine was the same engine, GX240. It was strong running, it didn't smoke or anything. I had to service the carburetor, clean it and put new oil in it. I put synthetic 5W30 oil in it. These are the handlebars that came off another machine. The other ones were all broke up and welded and everything. The chassis was good. I didn't have to do any work to the pedal other than, greasing it and service and inspection. The engine bed was pretty good. And a little bit of tune-up, with a new plug and tuning up the carburetor and resetting RPMs. A lot of people like this fuel gauge on the tank. So this baby's ready to go. It was a very enjoyable project for me for the last couple months, and now it's ready for next winter. I serviced it just a couple days ago, went through the whole machine, so now it's ready to go. So I just wanted to show you folks what I like to do. This is my hobby. It's a lot of fun for me to take a machine that I showed you at the beginning and make it into this. And whoever buys it should have many, many years of good, reliable service. So thanks for watching, folks. Please like and subscribe. We've got over 200 videos to help you save money if you own a Honda snowblower. So we'll see you next time.